Yo, what is UP, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you love cricket, and I'm pretty sure you do because you clicked on this video, you're in for a serious treat today. IPL 2026 is officially in its final stretch, and the batting performances this season? Absolutely insane. We're talking strike rates above 150, centuries left and right, and a teenager who's basically breaking the internet with his batting. So today, we're counting down the top 10 most valuable batsmen of IPL 2026 based on runs, consistency, strike rate, and pure entertainment value. Let's go. Kicking off our list at number 10, the swashbuckling wicketkeeper batter who's found a new home at Chennai Super Kings, Sanju Samson. Sanju was the first batter to score a century in IPL 2026 and then went ahead and scored another one. Yeah, 200s in a single season. He holds the record for the highest individual score of this IPL season. That's boss level stuff. He's been that anchor at the top who can flip the switch and go absolutely mental when needed. Pure entertainer, pure class. Number 9, and this guy literally started the season on fire. Ryan Rickelton from Mumbai Indians. Remember the opening weekend? Rickelton was already at the top of the run charts just 2 days into the tournament. He grabbed the orange cap with 81 runs early on and set the tone for what was going to be a crazy batting season. The South African has shown he belongs at the highest level and has been Mumbai Indians' batting backbone this year. Give this man some respect. Number 8. This guy held the orange cap for a big chunk of this season. Abhishek Sharma from Sunrisers Hyderabad. 507 runs. 507 in 13 innings. And he was literally number 1 in the orange cap race for weeks. The left-hander has been absolutely electric this season, destructive at the top of the order, taking on any bowling attack without fear. He's not just hitting big sixes, he's building innings too. That combo, that's what makes him dangerous. Sunrisers Hyderabad found a gem in this guy. Number 7, Mr. Dependable himself, KL Rahul, now wearing Delhi Capitals blue. KL has been absolutely elite this season. 533 runs at a strike rate of 171. Yes, 171. This is not the slow KL Rahul people used to talk about. He scored a jaw-dropping 152. That's the highest score by any batter in IPL 2026. And he even held the orange cap at one point. KL Rahul has leveled up this season. New team, new energy, same class. He's looking like a man on a mission. Number 6. Do I even need to say his name? The King, Virat Kohli. 542 runs, average of 54.20, and a strike rate of 164, which for Kohli is absolutely bonkers. He scored a century this season too, 105, and has just been the backbone of Royal Challengers Bengaluru's batting lineup all season long. Look, putting Kohli at number 6 feels almost criminal, but that's just how stacked this list is. He's 37 years old and still going at a strike rate of 164. The man is from another planet, period. Number 5, and this dude literally held the orange cap just a few days ago. Shubman Gill from Gujarat Titans. 552 runs from just 12 innings. That's a crazy average of 46 and a strike rate of 160. He's played one less game than most others in the top 10 and is still 5th on the list. That tells you everything. Gill has been the most elegant batter of the tournament. Cover drives, pull shots, you name it. The future captain of India doing what he does best. Number 4, and the reigning orange cap holder as of May 16th, Sai Sudarshan from Gujarat Titans. Yes, Gujarat Titans has 2 batters in the top 5. Scary stuff. 554 runs, including a century, at an average of 46 and a strike rate of 157. He took the orange cap back from Shubman Gill, his own teammate, and held it tight. How awesome is that? Sai Sudarshan is quietly becoming one of the most consistent middle-order batters in the IPL. Last year, he won the orange cap, and this year, he's in the hunt again. Back-to-back brilliance. Top 3 time. And coming in at number 3, the South African destroyer, the man who was literally holding the orange cap just days ago, Heinrich Klaasen of Sunrisers Hyderabad. 555 runs, average of 50.45, strike rate of 155, 5 half centuries. This guy is a machine. He's the original orange cap holder of this season. He was sitting at the top with 494 runs before the late surge from others pushed him to third. What makes Klaasen special is that he doesn't just score runs, he scores them at the right time. He's that finisher who can change a game in 10 balls. Sunrisers Hyderabad's most dangerous batter, hands down. Number 2. And what a performance this has been. The big Aussie all-rounder Mitchell Marsh from Lucknow Super Giants. 563 runs. He smashed a century, 111, at a strike rate of 163. He literally grabbed the orange cap from Klaasen on May 19th before being overtaken by our number 1. That's how close the race was at the top. Marsh is a dangerous, powerful player who can hit from ball 1. He bowls, he fields, and he bats like an absolute beast. Coming into IPL 2026, people weren't sure what to expect, but Mitchell Marsh has answered every question in the most emphatic way possible. Lucknow Super Giants got massive value from this man. 563 runs, 100, and pure entertainment every time he walked out to bat. Absolute value pick. And here we go, the number 1, the orange cap holder. The one you already knew was coming if you've been watching IPL 2026, Vaibhav Suryavanshi. Ladies and gentlemen, this guy is 15 years old. 15! And he's sitting at the top of the run charts with 579 runs, a strike rate of 236. 236! And a century that he scored in just 36 balls. The fastest century of the season. 36 balls. Let that sink in. Virat Kohli has played in like 17 IPL seasons. Suryavanshi has played 1. And he's leading the orange cap race. 54s, 53 sixes in 13 innings. He's hit more sixes than 4s. Who does that? He doesn't play cricket. He plays a completely different game that just happens to use the same field. Rajasthan Royals have found a once-in-a-generation talent. India has found its next superstar. And IPL 2026 has found its biggest story. Vaibhav Suryavanshi, the youngest, the fastest, the most explosive batter of this season. Undisputed number 1. Alright guys, there you have it. The top 10 most valuable batsmen of IPL 2026. What an absolutely stacked list this season. Honestly, every single player on this list deserves a video of their own. But let me ask you this. Who do you think is the real MVP batter of IPL 2026? Is it the teenager Suryavanshi, the dependable Kohli, the machine Klaasen, or someone else entirely? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I read every single one. And if you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, hit subscribe if you're new, and ring a bell so you never miss a cricket video from this channel. Until next time, stay cricket crazy, stay awesome, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.